Hi, this is Nathan Win from A&A Inomatic. Step to become proficient in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will focus on the cascading dropdown or dependent dropdown. In video 7, we're able to dynamically generate this dropdown list from the unique values that we get from cell P2 here. Now we would like to filter the brand to get the team for that brand. In the data, if we look at marketing, we will have team I and J. IT will have F, G, and H. So here we would need to generate the list once a branch is selected. We're gonna use the function filter, and for the array we reference the table employees and we want to filter the team. In the include, we would like the branch column, so we reference table and we select the branch where it equal to the selected branch. Here we close it. Now we have a list of all records under this operation branch. Now all we have to do is add in the unique, the sort, and the substitute as we have done in video 7. Unique, close, we will sort now. The index is 1 and ascending is 1. Next step, eliminate the 0, substitute 0 with empty. Now we have team L and K. The last step is to reference the list to this formula here, Q2. Data validation, list, reference, Q2. Don't forget to add the pound. Now we have team K and L. If we change to HR, we will have C, D, and E. One more, finance, we should have A and B. That's it. Congratulations. You now know how to generate a cascading unique dropout list. Check out my profile for other cool videos like this. See you there. Bye-bye.